Hi, it's Cook Persida. Today I'm sharing with you my mom's recipe for chicken drumsticks baked in the oven. They're so easy to make and they're so delicious. The meat falls off the bone and the crust has so much flavor. Okay, let me show you how you do it. You'll need about 4 cloves of garlic, shredded on the smaller hole. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and add 3 tablespoons of mayo. Mix it up. Here I have 1.5 pounds of chicken drumsticks. Place them on any baking tray you like, but make sure they're not overlapping. Now get the sauce we made earlier and spread on all the sides of the chicken. You'll need to flip it over and do it on the other side as well. This is optional, but you can add some spices. I'm using this Italian seasoning, which includes oregano, thyme, rosemary, basil, sage. If you will, just put a little bit to add some flavor. And also I'm adding some fresh rosemary, and this is optional as well. Cover the chicken and let it sit in room temperature for 15 minutes. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and bake for 25 minutes without the lid. After baking for 25 minutes, open the oven and turn over each piece of chicken. Bake additional 30 minutes. And that's it, the chicken is ready. Look how gorgeous this is. It is so tender and juicy and all that flavor. And it's so easy to make, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again soon.